Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to create group chat in Messenger using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Messenger app. And by the way, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So now, once you opened your Messenger app, you want to click on the new message button at the upper right corner of your screen. And now click on create a new group. And then just go ahead and select the person that you want to add on your group chat. Okay. So for example, there's 2 users. So after that, you want to click on the create button at the upper right corner of your screen. And now you have your group chat. You can now start messaging your friends here. And that's it. That is how you create a group chat on Messenger. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.